Hola, yo soy la abogada María Jaime. Soy abogada con la firma legal de Curtis Legal Group. Si usted ha sufrido lesiones en un accidente, puede tener derecho a una compensación. Usted necesita a alguien con experiencia a su lado para luchar por sus derechos.
Yo recomendaría a la abogada María Jaime porque trabaja muy rápido y tiene mucha experiencia.
Yo hablé a la abogada María Jaime, luchó por mi caso y lo ganó.
Ella con su experiencia logramos ganar nuestro caso.
Llámenos hoy al 1-800-529-3080.
When you look at a wrecked car, it doesn't seem like such a big deal. But when it happens to you, better think again.
There are big medical bills, and you're out of work, losing big money. And there's pain and suffering. Now that's a big deal.
Hurt in a car wreck? Call the heavy hitters. Curtis Legal Group.
We work hard to get you all the money you deserve and to keep you out of the courtroom.
Hurt? Call us, the Curtis Legal Group, because when we think big,
your problems become small.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Yeah, the guy came out of nowhere. No, he hit me. Who am I going to call?
Call the Curtis Legal Group.
Did you say something? I can't work like this. Who should I call?
The Curtis Legal Group.
I don't want to get into it with the insurance company. Who can handle all this?
Call the Curtis Legal Group. They're the heavy hitters.
Something's telling me to call the heavy hitters. Got their number?
Here, boy.
that's a good dog.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Hurt in a car wreck? You're going to need big help.
So think big and call us, the Curtis Legal Group. Everyone at our office thinks big too.
You'll get big service, big help, and all the money that you deserve.
And we'll work to get it for you and keep you out of the courtroom.
Hey!
Oops, sorry. Hurt in a car wreck?
Call us, the Curtis Legal Group.
Because the heavy hitters think as big as Sacramento.
And the whole Central Valley.
Who was that? Everyone knows a law firm that says think big.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Injured in a car wreck?
Is it better to settle or go to court on your claim?
The scales of justice go back and forth.
Call us, the Curtis Legal Group. We know how much you should get for your injury.
If we could settle for you now, that would be best.
But if we have to, we'll go to court to make them pay.
And we'll charge nothing until you get paid.
Nothing.
Car wrecks, settlement, or courtroom. You know what we can do.
That's why people call us the heavy hitters.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Hurt in a car wreck?
Called the insurance company and got the no word?
Then call the Curtis Legal Group and we'll tell them no.
We'll say no to unnecessary delays.
We'll say no to ridiculous low offers.
We know how much money you should get.
And we know how to get it for you. And we get nothing until you do.
Car wreck?
Want every dollar you deserve?
Call the Curtis Legal Group because you know.
We know.
Everyone knows.
We're the heavy hitters.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Time!
Time out!
Time out for a substitution.
All right, everybody in.
Whoa, too many people on the court.
This is the heavy hitter team. Lawyers, expert witnesses, paralegals, dozens with great credentials.
All at once?
All this, and we get nothing until you get paid.
If you get injured, you're going to want them all.
I got to check the rule book.
Only one rule. We get our clients every dollar they deserve.
All right. Curtis Legal Group team, all in.
Okay, heavy hitters.
Let's play ball.
Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Hurt in a car wreck and trying to get your money from a big insurance company?
It's like catching every red light.
The insurance companies know how to say no, don't they?
You can turn the light from red to green. We're the Curtis Legal Group.
Money for medical bills, lost wages, and even pain and suffering.
We want to get you every dollar you deserve and keep you out of court.
And we get nothing until you do.
Car wreck? Call the heavy hitters.
We know how to turn red to green.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
It's just a regular day and the phone rings.
What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter?
It's a car wreck. A bad day.
And the insurance company won't pay for medical bills or anything else.
You need the heavy hitters, the Curtis Legal Group.
We're dedicated to getting the insurance company to pay you all your money.
Quickly. No excuses, no delays.
It's just a regular day and...
Car wreck, car wreck, car wreck.
Bad day. But you can make it better. Call the heavy hitters.
We're the Curtis Legal Group.
Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
It's not easy being Ralph Curtis's dog. He stays up late, works hard, even takes phone calls all night. Those heavy hitters work to get the insurance company to pay you all your money and some more you may not know about. Injured in a car wreck? Call the heavy hitters and you can sleep tonight because they won't.
Some jobs aren't 9 to 5.
2 coffees, please.
Another late night?
Whenever duty calls.
The law offices of the Curtis Legal Group, the heavy hitters, are available at night, every night.
Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Hurt in a car wreck and you call the insurance company?
They just don't want to let go of the money.
You deserve better. Money for car repairs, medical bills, and money for pain and suffering.
Call us, Curtis Legal Group, the heavy hitters.
What we know can get you the money they're not telling you about.
And we'll work to get it for you without making you go to court.
Car wreck and deserve more money? Call us now, the Curtis Legal Group.
We're pulling for you.
Nice.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
It's Saturday. You know what that means.
Baseball in the Valley, and we're open all day today.
And what team are you rooting for?
The Curtis Legal Group. The heavy hitters, of course.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
You're here about the car wreck?
I'm Ralph. He's Andy.
The Curtis Legal Group.
The Curtis Legal Group?
You're the insurance guy.
Time to pay up.
How much?
We want it all.
And then some. Car wreck, call the Curtis Legal Group.
At 1-800-LAW-3080.
You're not going to shoot me, are you?
Nah. We're going to sue you.
Nobody messes with the Curtis Legal Group.
Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
I was just sitting there in traffic waiting for a red light, and I get hit from behind.
We work to get you paid quickly without making you go to court.
They got them to pay for things I never would have thought about.
Call us, the Curtis Legal Group.
The heavy hitters.
You get hurt in a car wreck and call the insurance company.
You almost expect the money to come right out of the phone.
Pennies! You deserve more. Money for car repairs, medical bills, lost wages, and money for pain and suffering.
Call us, the Curtis Legal Group, 1-800-LAW-3080. What does that cost, Andy?
Nothing, Ralph. No charge.
Car wreck and deserve more money?
Call the heavy hitters. Nice work, Ralph.
It's easy when you know how.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
I was a passenger in a vehicle and my friend fell asleep at the wheel.
Hurt in a car wreck? Call the Curtis Legal Group.
I didn't have to do anything. They came to me.
Tina was a backseat passenger, and we had to look for all sources of recovery for her.
I was told a certain amount, and when I went to get my money, they found more.
We'll work to get you all the money you deserve.
You don't have to do anything. You just make that phone call and they do the rest.
We're the Curtis Legal Group, the heavy hitters.
It's the best call I ever made.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
A car turned into a parking lot that he struck me.
Car wreck? Call the Curtis Legal Group.
I wasn't getting what I needed.
The insurance company offered Della a quick settlement.
It was pennies that they were going to give me.
But we got her a lot more.
It was the biggest check I ever seen before.
We know car wrecks and how to help.
If it wasn't for the Curtis Legal Group, I would have known what I would have done.
Call the heavy hitters.
That was the best decision I've ever made, was to call the Curtis Legal Group.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
A distracted driver slammed into the back of my car.
When your car takes a hit, your whole life takes a hit.
Her insurance company seemed angry that I was injured.
Diana tried to handle her case on her own. When the insurance company didn't cooperate, she turned to us.
They got me the best settlement I could get.
A call to us can get you more.
I'm so grateful for the help I received from Curtis Legal Group.
Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Hurt in a car wreck? Pick a law firm with maximum horsepower.
Call the Curtis Legal Group. We've got the horsepower to get you maximum money and keep you out of the courtroom.
We work to get you more money, more than just medical bills and lost wages.
And often we can get you money that the insurance company doesn't even tell you about.
So call us and let us put our horsepower to work for you. Hurt in a car wreck?
Call the Curtis Legal Group, the heavy hitters.
We just love to work fast.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
We drive so often we forget how dangerous it is.
And how often car wrecks happen.
If you get in one, call us, the Curtis Legal Group. Nice. We've been dealing with the insurance companies for decades.
We know about their tricks and about the money they don't tell you about.
And why should you go to court if you don't have to? Car wreck? Get your money from the Curtis Legal Group, the heavy hitters.
We've been hit.
Are you okay?
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
My truck I was in came to a dead stop and rolled over the other car.
Car wreck? Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
We had to look at all the options of what was going on, including my own insurance.
Scott came to us with severe shoulder injuries, and we had to find all those responsible.
They were making sure that I got the most of what I could get.
Helping you is what we do.
I was more than pleased to say the least. I was more than pleased with my amount that I received.
We're the Curtis Legal Group, the heavy hitters.
I'm very glad I called.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Hey, Ralph, you ever been in a car wreck?
Nah, I've been lucky.
Hang on. Now I need to call a really good lawyer.
Andy, you're calling me.
Yeah, I need a real lawyer who'll get me more money for medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. And there could be money the insurance company's not telling me about. They should pay it all.
Right, but Andy, this isn't a real wreck, it's a video game.
I know, but practice makes perfect.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
A car plowed into the back of me, causing my car to spin all the way around.
Hurt in a car wreck? Call the Curtis Legal Group.
I figured, the insurance company would do something to help me. They wouldn't do nothing.
Phyllis didn't get much help from the insurance company, but we got them to change their tune.
They even got me money after that I didn't even know was going to be coming.
Call the heavy hitters, the Curtis Legal Group.
That insurance company that wouldn't give me the time of day was going to be hit pretty heavy, and obviously they were.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
When you get hurt in a car wreck, you've got doctor's bills, you're out of work, and there's lots of pain and suffering.
You need to reach for a law firm that can get you the most money. Reach for the Curtis Legal Group.
We're not newcomers. After decades, we know all the insurance company tricks.
They can't hide money from us.
And why go to court if you don't have to? Hurt in a car wreck?
Reach for a law firm that wants you to get more money. Reach for us,
the Curtis Legal Group,
the heavy hitters.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
If you get hurt in a car wreck, it's the Curtis Legal Group, the heavy hitters. Everybody needs a heavy hitter. And be sure to watch my show every weekday afternoon right here on KQCA, My 58.
Car wreck, call Curtis Legal Group,
the heavy hitters. Sitting here in this wrecked car helps me understand how you feel when you've been hurt in a car wreck, both pain and fear. How are you going to pay for all this?
You want the insurance company to pay, but they don't always want to.
Who's going to pay your doctor bills, lost wages, and your pain and suffering?
Call us, the heavy hitters. We'll work to make them pay.
Often we can get you more money than they're willing to tell you about.
And we get nothing unless you get paid.
Don't just sit there. Call the Curtis Legal Group.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
A car wreck with a big rig is no ordinary case.
Often trucking companies have different insurers that say no. They make things very complicated.
Call us. We can turn no into yes.
We know the experts, and we know the trucking regulations that could get you paid. Get the power of more. Call the Curtis Legal Group.
Because we know.
The trucking companies know.
Everybody knows.
That we'll work to get you more.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Attorney Ralph Curtis, helping you is what we do.
Oh my, I'm with the insurance company and we need you to sign right here, right now.
Insurance? Talk to my lawyer.
Not again.
It's the best phone call you can make.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800.
Car wreck? Call the Curtis Legal Group. Call today.
And we're on our way.
Find us an attorney.
Hi, we're the Curtis Legal Group. If you call us right now,
we can start working on your case right now.
We work hard to get you all the money you deserve quickly and keep you out of court.
But if the other side won't write you a check, when we go to court, we go to win.
Injured? Get the power of more. Call us.
What are you waiting for? Call the Curtis Legal Group, the heavy hitters.
Have you found one?
You're not going to believe this. Hello?
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Nice shot, Andy.
Call the heavy hitters.
We're the Curtis Legal Group.
Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Hurt in a car wreck?
Who calculates how much you should get?
The insurance company? They'll offer you less.
We're the heavy hitters. We'll work to get you more.
All the money for your medical bills and more money for your pain and suffering.
And we work to get it for you without making you go to court.
Car wreck? We work to get you more money.
Hey, Ralph, was that Einstein?
Go figure.
Call us, the Curtis Legal Group.
And get the power of more.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
We look forward to assisting you with your Modesto personal injury case.
Click the link in the description of this video or call 1-800-LAW-3080.
You know what we do.
We get the insurance companies to pay you when you get hurt in a car wreck.
But do you know how many times we've done that?
Over the last 20 years? Thousands of times.
That's a lot of settlements.
And a lot of tries.
And when you call the Curtis Legal Group, you know we'll be there.
And what we know could get you more without making you go to court. No matter how many car wrecks we've handled, yours is the most important.
Hey Andy, isn't that your car?
I wish.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Car wreck? Call the Curtis Legal Group. Call today.
And we're on our way.
Car wreck? Call the heavy hitters.
We're the Curtis Legal Group. We work to get you more.
Susie! Susie! Call Susie.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Call Susie.
No can do, Dave. You have not dealt with your car wreck yet.
It can wait.
Insurance company being cheap. Blocking calls.
Come on.
Be calm. Calling Curtis Legal Group to get more money for car wreck and pain and suffering.
Curtis Legal Group?
The heavy hitters?
That's why they call it a smartphone.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
In a world where profits rule, a family struggles against a major insurance company. When all hope seems lost,
I know what to do.
this woman changes the future of her family.
You called the heavy hitters?
Please help us.
Using the power of more, the heavy hitters strike fear into the insurance companies that oppose them.
Our heroes.
Rated A for awesome.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
What do you lose when you get hurt in a car wreck?
The good times.
The family times.
Even your health.
Restoring this for you is our primary concern.
But when you call Curtis Legal Group, we do much more.
Like working with your doctors and helping you manage your bills.
And of course, getting the insurance company to pay you more than they want to offer.
Getting your life back, that's the heart of it.
Call the Curtis Legal Group, because helping you is what we do.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Hut, hut, hut! When you get hurt in a car wreck, don't go up against the insurance companies alone. Call the heavy hitters to do it for you. Call 1-800-LAW-3080 and we'll go after all the money they should be paying you. Stay out of the courtroom and get into the end zone. Get the power of more. Call the Curtis Legal Group.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
You're going to have a great day. We resolved your case and your check is ready.
Let us make your day great. Call the Curtis Legal Group.
You know what we do.
We get the insurance companies to pay you when you get hurt in a car wreck. No matter how many car wrecks we've handled, yours is the most important.
Hey Andy, isn't that your car?
I wish.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Hurt in a car wreck?
Don't just take what the insurance company offers.
We work to get you more.
Call the heavy hitters and get the power of more.
We're the Curtis Legal Group. Getting you more is what we do.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.
Hurt in a car wreck? Use an attorney who lives and works here in the Central Valley.
Many attorneys you call may actually be in LA or farther away.
We know the roads and we know our local courts.
Our offices are located here. We are the heart of the Central Valley.
Get in a car wreck anywhere in the Central Valley and the heavy hitters are here to help.
But you don't need to come to us because we will come to you.
Car wreck, call, click, or text. We're the Curtis Legal Group.
The heavy hitters are the way to go. Call 1-800-LAW-3080.